It is a builder defender game where we have waves of enemies and we want to protect our town hall, which is right here. And by protecting our town hall, we could develop harvesters and resources to make turrets to defend the town hall further. So this is a wave-like game where we would defend against certain enemies. So right here, let's start up the game, and let me pause it real quick. We have our wave system, our resource management system, our mini map, so we could find the various resources located around our map, and the different harvesters and towers, so the different buildings that I could set down and protect against these enemies. So we're currently on the first wave, and our next wave will be in 5.8 seconds, and we'll have a kind of prediction arrow of where this wave will be and kind of accordingly prepare against that wave. So I first want to talk about the resource management system, and the resource management system works in a way where we have these harvesters and we would place them near a certain resource. So right here we have our wooden resource, and then this would be a perfect spot to place our harvester for wood so that we could develop and gather more resources so that we could get a stone harvester, which is 80 wood, and with that stone and wood we'll be able to build some towers. So that's my resource management system. So another thing I wanted to highlight is the different resources and how I'm displaying them on the mini map. So the way I'm displaying them on the mini map is through the sprites that are inside of the game, and I'm projecting them onto the mini map so that the user could see where to build these harvesters. Here's also our settings. Here's the music. Yep, and there's the music, and then the sounds. So let's get out of this and begin to play the game. So I'm gonna place a harvester here, and as you can see, it's 100%. If I place it far from the wood, then I am not able to get the harvester. So it's 100% optimization. And there's the sound. So let's place let's try to get a stone harvester down so that I could build a turret for you guys to see. So it should be fine. The waves gradually progress in size as yes, the enemies gradually increase in size as the waves progress. That is one feature of the game. Let's place a turret right here since our wave is upcoming there, and another turret right here. Another thing I want to highlight is the day and night system that I've implemented. So as the game progresses, I'll start by filtering the gradient of the game. I'm able to repair it, but I'm not able to repair it right now because I have no gold. Right here, it requires some gold. So yeah, as the waves progress, it's going to be harder to actually defend against these enemies. So right here, we have our health bar, and we're able to repair it. But as of now, we can't because we have no gold to mine. I'm doing pretty well against the enemies right now, but once we reach around wave 14 or 15, that's when or right now. So I've survived in 13 waves, and this is the game over screen. We could retry, and we could see our wave right here. So that is my builder to defender game, and I hope to add more to this game, such as multiplayer or saving the levels.